Hello everybody. Today we will see a simple Java program to make connection with MySQL database. Here in my computer, I have already created database with the name test in MySQL server. There is a customers table. It has 4 attributes: CID, CNAME, address and gender. To make connection with MySQL, we have to use third-party API. That is we have to download MySQL Java connector and add that to our project. How to add this jar file to our project is very simple. Just here I have already created project with the name test connection. Right click in here, then go to build path. There we will find build path configuration. Click here. Then within the libraries tab, there is the module path. As we click in the module path, this add external jar file tab will become active. I have already downloaded this MySQL connector, so I will be selecting this one and open. This connector is now added to the module path, so I have to apply and close this window. Now in this way, our third-party API is added to our project. Now let's define one Java class, new Java class. Let's suppose name of this class is demo. Now we have to import my java.sql package. Then we have to create connection object, statement object. Then I will be writing public static void main method. Now within this method we will be creating statement and connection object. First we will see the connection object. To create connection object, we have to define try catch block as it throws exceptions. So system.out.println, if any error, we have to check that error message. Get message. Okay. Now connection object is created with the help of driver manager class, that is the inbuilt class of Java. Then we'll call get connection method of this driver manager. First we have to pass driver of MySQL JDBC MySQL : localhost. In my computer I have set 3308 as the port number for MySQL, but by default port number for MySQL is 3306. You can change it to 3306, no worries. Now username is root, then password. In my case the password is empty. Now let's see one simple message: system.out.println. Why is the connection C? Okay, I have to make these variables static, or I have to make them or create or define them within the main function. Now let's see whether we've been able to make connection or not. Simply execute this. Okay, success. You can see here connection is made successfully. Now let's create statement object, because we will be using connection object to create a statement object. Statement object is required to execute SQL queries. Result set is needed to store records retrieved by executing SQL statement. Yes dot. Now execute query. Select CNAME from customers. Now the name of customers will retrieve and store within this result set object. Now look through this result set object. rs.next, system.out.println, rs.get string. In our case, we have retrieved only one attribute from table customers, that is CNAME. So the result set will have only one column, and the column starts with index 1. If there are 4 columns, the index will be 1, 2, 3, 4. And we have to specify the data type of the column also. Here cname is of type string, so I am using rs.getString and passing one, as one is the first column and data type of cname is getString. If the data type of that column is integer, then we have to make get int. So now let's see whether we've been able to retrieve record or not. Let's execute this again. No database selected. I forgot to specify name of database here. Simply just add the test is the name of database in this our first parameter to connection object. Now let's re-execute this. Now you can see there the name of customers been displayed. Name which you can see here. These names